Hello, you're welcome to Graceland World Delicacy YouTube channel. On our menu today, we'll be making a Graceland crunchy eggless chin chin. Should in case you've been contemplating making chin chin but you do not have egg handy, I want to assure you today that you can always, oh yes, quote me anyway, you can always make a chin chin without an egg. So here are the few items we'll be needing for the recipe. Okay, here is our powder milk. We'll dissolve this in warm water to get a liquid milk. Okay, here is our cinnamon. We make do with cinnamon, not nutmeg, but you can substitute this for a nutmeg. Okay, and here is our baking powder, our salt, of course our sugar, and a melted butter. And you'll be needing a clean bowl and 400 grams of all-purpose flour. Alright, let's get started. So with our sifter on our clean dry bowl, we put on the scale and we tie the weight of our bowl, okay, and then we start adding in our flour. We need 400 grams sifted flour. Okay, so here is our 400 grams sifted flour. Into this, we will add in all of our dry ingredients, exception of the powder milk, because we need to dissolve it in a warm water. Okay. Alright guys, so we are done dissolving our milk. So here it is. And we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of pure organic honey into our recipe. So we'll start by adding all of our dry ingredients and we will wait this to combine. Okay. So into these dry ingredients, we will pour in our melted butter. Use our hands to work it to a crumbly texture, and then we will add in the milk lastly. Alright guys, so after mixing your flour, create an hole and turn every liquid items into it. Knead very well with your hands till it's smooth and stretchy. Then you lay it on your work surface. Okay, make sure you flood your work surface before you turn your dough there. Knead it very well. Roll it as flat as you can and you start cutting your dough. Then you're ready to fry your chin chin. Okay, really don't need a pattern for this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.